Lily, look.
Ang cute ng shoes ni Daddy White. Nakaano ba?
Sexy boots.
Sexy boots.
Oh, Lily, look. Look at the goat.
Derek Ramsey, hinira muna ang anak nila ni Ellen Adarna na si Lily. Ngayon nga ay first birthday nitong si Lily at sa celebration nga ni Ellen Adarna ay wala si Derek Ramsey. Kaya naman, ang pamilya ni Derek Ramsey ay nakipag-banding na lang kay Lily at doon nga ay nagbukod sila ng celebration. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Iba rin talaga ang kasiyahan ng mga magulang ni Derek Ramsey, lalong-lalo na ang kanyang mami tuwing makikita ang kanyang apo na si Lily. Ito nga ang kanyang unika iha na apo mula kay Ellen Adarna at Derek Ramsey, kaya naman walang pagsidla ng kanilang kasiyahan.
Lily, look.
Ang cute ng shoes ni Daddy White. Nakaano ba?
Sexy boots.
Sexy boots.
Oh, Lily, look. Look at the goat.
Lily.
Lily.
Look, Lily. Eating. See?
Yummy.
Ngayon yung first birthday nitong si Lily Adarna Ramsey ay hindi pwedeng hindi siya mariregaluhan ng kanyang papa dahil ito ay dagdag sa milestone ni Lily. Sayang lang dahil sana ay kumpleto silang pamilya at sabay-sabay mag-celebrate, pero ito nga ang nangyari sa kanila. Okay lang dahil masaya naman din ang bata at pareho namang nakakabanding ang kanyang mga magulang kahit na magkahiwalay ang mga ito.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. Yes. Are you happy with your gift? Yay! Good job, little girl. Again.
Ito naman ang heart-touching na pagbati para kay Lily ng kanyang papa Derek Ramsey. Sabi nga dito, "My sweet Lilliput, happy first birthday, my love. I can hardly believe a whole year has gone by since I first held you in my arms. It feels like just yesterday that I looked into your tiny eyes and felt my entire world shift. From that moment on, you became the center of my heart, my purpose, my forever. Watching you grow this past year has been the greatest joy of my life. Every smile, every little giggle, every papa, and every milestone, even the quiet moments when you're simply resting in my arms, have filled me with a kind of love I didn't know was possible. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I thank life every day for the gift of you. I want you to know, Lilliput, that there is nothing I wouldn't do for you. I will always be here to hold you, to guide you, to laugh with you, to comfort you, to protect you with everything I have. My love for you is endless, unconditional, and unshakable. No matter how big you get, no matter where life takes you, you will always have a home in my heart. You are my sunshine, my little miracle, my everything. I am so proud to be your parent, and I cannot wait to watch you grow into the incredible person I already you are becoming. Well, let's not rush the growing up part. Love you, Papa."
Who's that? Hi. Hey, Papa. Papa. Who's that? Shake it. Shake. Shake it.
Hello? Flip.
Yeah! Love, love the dog. Love, love. Lily, love, love the dog. Poor dog. Love, love the dog. Love, love. Love, love. Ano nangyari sa'yo, Jax?
Si Papa? Si Papa?
I will go shopping for you tomorrow, okay?
Oh, kiss Papa daw.
Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Uy. Say hello, Papa. Hello. You call Papa, you call hello. Hello. Papa there.
Baliktad man.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Wala ang kiss.
Hello, hello again, hello. Tawagan Papa, hello.
Hello, Papa.
Hello, hello.
Hello, Papa. Hello, Papa.
Ha? Where's Papa? Kiss, Papa, kiss. Kiss.
Can you say dad? Can you say dad?
Mukha nila ngayon para lalaki.
Kay big girl na
Lee.
siya.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Ayusin mo, ayusin mo.
Hello?
Kiss at saka hello, pinagsabay. Hello? Ay, say Papa. Papa?
Papa.
Oh. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Love, love, Papa, love, love. Kiss? Oh, no, no, don't throw that.
Hala tayong pambili ba yan? Cellphone. Yan lang ah.
Love, love, Papa, love, love.
Hug Papa, hug.
Hug, Papa, hug.
Hug. Hug. Love, love, Papa, hug. Hug. Love, love, Papa. Love, 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 Papa.
Where's Papa? Where's Papa?
Papa.
Where's your Papa? Lee? Where's your Papa?
Okay, Papa too.
Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Kiss, Papa, kiss. Kiss.
Papa, kiss.
Can you say dad? Can you say dad?
Parang lalaki. Mukha nila ngayon para lalaki.
Kay big girl na
Lee.
siya.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Ayun.